Everything's cooler with
Everything's better with sunglasses on.
it's so I can see past our luminous shoes. We're here at Driftland. We came for the Drift Cup.
No actual cups though, I don't understand.
There's no cup. It's drift cars.
Nobody's drifted round a cup or in a cup, which is
It's not like, it's like, what's that Irish competition where they've got King of the Cone?
King of the Cone.
But there is an actual cone, isn't there? Okay, yeah, so cone confirmed. This has been great so far. The standard of drifting here is much higher, and it's been quite a while since we've been here. There's been lots of this sort of stuff going on. Probably the best, the favourite thing out of today so far is that it only took us an hour to get here, so it's way faster. So yeah, we're going to get a bit more footage from the battles now.
through to the top 4 is Andy Frost! He's second first, taking the 2018 HEL Driftcup Championship. Wow! What a rags to riches story. Pulled off the reserve list on round 1.
Absolutely.
And he's driven like an animal all season. And that, to me, is a massively deserved win of the championship.
That was it. We had a cracking day at Driftland, so you've seen our little garage tour and some of the drift practices and then the tandem stuff as well. We really enjoyed that. We've also started, you guys might have heard of Patreon, so now we are a Patreon sponsor of 2 channels. We sponsor Driftland, which means we're going to get some filming done at their experience days very soon, and also Monkey London's channel. We sent Monkey London some footage for one of his videos, there's a link up here, and got talking to him at the event, and we're a sponsor of him on Patreon now as well. So if you haven't checked out those 2 guys, we'll put some links in here somewhere, and we'll just close up with some footage of Andy Frost. I mean, look at his happy wee face when he won the trophy. Well done, Andy. That's it. Bye everyone.